The deep ocean is the most unexplored region on Earth, a place so hostile and extreme that it challenges the very definition of life. Down there, sunlight never reaches. Temperatures are near freezing. The pressure is so overwhelming it would crush a human body instantly. Yet in this silent abyss, some of the strangest creatures ever discovered live and thrive. They are animals that look impossible, as if they belong to another planet or to a nightmare. And despite decades of research, scientists still can't fully explain how many of them exist. The deep sea remains one of the greatest biological mysteries on Earth, and the creatures that live there raise questions evolution hasn't answered. One of the most iconic deep-sea beings is the anglerfish, a creature with needle-like teeth, sunken eyes, and a luminous lure dangling above its mouth. Its bioluminescent light is produced by bacteria that don't belong to the fish itself, but live inside its body, forming a strange partnership. Why this relationship developed is still unclear, but what truly confuses scientists is the anglerfish's reproduction. The male is tiny, sometimes 50 times smaller than the female, and when he finds her, he bites into her skin and fuses his body to hers, eventually dissolving into a permanent, parasitic organ. Why evolution favored such an extreme and bizarre reproductive strategy remains a subject of debate. The anglerfish is a reminder that the deep sea does not follow the rules of the surface world. Another creature that defies explanation is the vampire squid. Despite its terrifying name and appearance, it is a gentle scavenger, drifting slowly through the dark. Its skin displays neon blue and crimson colors. Its tentacles connect into a flowing cape, and it moves with slow, ghost-like motions. But its most mysterious trait is its ability to survive on incredibly low oxygen levels that would kill almost any other animal. In the deepest parts of the ocean, known as oxygen minimum zones, the vampire squid continues to thrive. Scientists still don't understand how its metabolism is so efficient or how its tissues function in near-anoxic environments. It is a biological contradiction. Perhaps even stranger is the barrelli fish, an animal with a transparent, gelatinous head. Through this clear dome, you can see its rotating green eyes floating inside, pointing upward to detect prey through the darkness. No other vertebrate has a head structure like this. The purpose of this transparent skull, the evolutionary steps that led to it, and the exact function of its gelatinous dome are still not fully understood. Even today, every encounter with a barrelli leaves researchers stunned. It feels like something designed for science fiction, not Earth. And yet, these creatures are not the only mysteries hiding in the abyss. The gulper eel, with its enormous balloon-like mouth and tiny body, defies all logic. It can swallow prey far larger than itself, but scientists don't know how its fragile frame withstands a sudden expansion. Then there's the giant siphonophora creature, so long that some specimens stretch over 40 meters, making it possibly the longest animal on Earth. But calling it one animal is misleading. It's actually a colony of thousands of specialized organisms fused into a single coordinated being. Each part behaves like an organ, yet, genetically, they are separate individuals. This existence challenges the definition of what an organism even is. Few creatures compare to the colossal squid, a massive deep-sea predator with eyes the size of dinner plates and hooks not suction. Cups on its tentacles, the hooks can rotate, giving the squid a terrifying grip. But the strangest part is that we still don't know much about it. Only a handful have ever been found, and none alive. How it hunts, how it migrates, how many exist, these remain unanswered questions. Some scientists believe the colossal squid sees the bioluminescent glow of other animals from incredible distances, thanks to its enormous eyes. Others think its metabolic rate is unusually slow, allowing it to survive the crushing pressure of the abyss. But without live observation, the colossal squid remains a puzzle. And then there are the creatures that blur the line between animal and alien artifact. The glass sponge, which builds a skeleton made of actual glass fibers, arranged with mathematical precision. The sea angel, a translucent winged mollusk that looks like a floating apparition. And the deep-sea hatchetfish, whose mirrored body reflects darkness itself, making it nearly invisible. Evolution seems to invent new rules in the abyss. But perhaps the most mysterious creature is one we almost never see. The giant oarfish, this enormous serpent-like fish, can reach over 11 meters in length and is believed to be the source of many ancient sea monster legends. Yet it is rarely observed alive. Its biology is confusing. It has no scales. It swims in vertical orientation, and it appears near the surface shortly before earthquakes. Some researchers suggest it can sense tectonic vibrations, though this is still debated. The oarfish is one of the strongest examples of how little we truly know about the oceans. The deep sea remains Earth's final frontier, and the creatures that inhabit it are reminders that our planet still holds secrets beyond imagination. These bizarre life forms defy expectations, challenge evolutionary theory, and leave scientists with more questions than answers. As long as the deep ocean remains unexplored, its creatures will continue to represent one of humanity's greatest and most fascinating mysteries. What else lives down there, hidden in the darkness? What other impossible beings wait to be discovered? Perhaps somewhere in the abyss exists a creature stranger than anything we have ever imagined. And until we explore it, the ocean will continue to keep its secrets locked away in silence. Follow for more long-form documentaries about dark science, hidden creatures, and the mysterious side of our world.